guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the LeBron 9 Lows. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Nike LeBron 9 Lows. We've got this in the white lime bright mango colorway, or this is nicknamed the LeBron Palmer. And we got this in a UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's a US men's 8.5. I believe this is the first time we're looking at LeBron 9s and preferred lows when it came to that era of Nike basketball sneakers. So you had your Kobe's and LeBron's, and just looking at the box, you got LeBron's King logo here, LJ, and you can kind of see LeBron on the sides on this of the box. You open in, standard slide box, and here they are, very vibrant, colorful. We love it. And before we get into all those beautiful details that surround this sneaker, we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see bits of translucency here. Well, it's not really translucent, it's glow in the dark green here. And you've got traction patterning that is similar to, it kind of looks like tribal prints or very tropical prints here. And the colors as well, it just screams this very floral, beautiful palm trees and petals that grow on such summer trees, I guess. And you got this orange here and the LJ on the heel, that's over there. Looking at the midsole unit, so this midsole unit is essentially a 360 Air Max unit all around. We've done plenty of 360 units or 270s with a lot of Air Max with all around visibility. Thought they were really comfortable. This is going to be the first time I tried a pair of LeBron 9 Lows, and if it goes anything from the comfortability or the cushioning of those Air Max units with essentially a 360 all around, I really liked those. It was really dope, and I'm hoping for the best for these. Just above that, you can see a foam, it's polyurethane here in this mint green or turquoise, hope you can see it. And looking at the upper, you got this tropical vibe, lots of floral prints and all of these leaves, and you can see it here all around the prints. And so essentially the sneaker is made out of two kind of materials. You got your heat pressed plastics all around there, just so you can see it on the toe box, and you got a lot of see-through mesh. Again, it's in this lime yellow and a lot of greens here, accenting that Miami vibes, because at the time of 2011, 2012, when these sneakers came out, LeBron was playing for the Miami Heat. And what else can I say about these sneakers? So you can see the orange swoosh on the lateral side, and on the middle side, you got a little swoosh. Lacing system, typical lacing system. You got a LJ that is on the lace. There's not kind of a hardware that's on the sneaker showcasing it, but it's actually on the laces heat pressed on with the LJ. Very fat padded tongue with the LeBron James, his signature on the tongue. Cushioning around the sneaker, it's beautiful. Obviously this is the low top version. I very much prefer this. This kind of reminds me of like the KD4s or the Kobe's again. And if I remember correctly, LeBron himself preferred the low cut versions of his sneakers. LeBron, if you're watching this, let us know in the comment section below. And at the back here as well, you can see the crown, LeBron's logo all there. Can't really see a lion because that's, everyone knows him as King James and that is his logo. It's a bit weird I'm not seeing a lion, but given the fresh vibes, the reason why this is called the LeBron Palmer is because that is LeBron's favorite drink. And if you look at the insole, you can see it here. And if you're wondering why LeBron Palmer, it's because it's named after the Arnold Palmer, which is another thing that's named after an athlete. It's after Arnold Palmer, the golfer, and essentially that is half and a half lemonade and a half black iced tea. And I've had a variation of it. I've had one at Shake Shack. I thought it was really delicious. I can understand why LeBron loved it so much. And given the vibes that he was in Miami at that time, we can quench your thirst with a nice, cool Arnold Palmer. I can't wait to try these on. First time again, I'm going to be trying on a pair of LeBron 9 lows. Dope colorway. I mean, the man won some rings in these. Wait, pretty sure he won in 9s. You LeBron heads, let me know. I do forget. Damn, I forgot. I think he wore Soldiers. Let me know in the comment section below. Like, correct me. I'm pretty sure. I'm like 80% sure I'm right. But anyways, we love this. This is a summertime sneaker. And obviously you can hit the chords in this. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend it. Yeah, true to size Nike fit. My toes are where they need to be because I'm a UK size 7.5, European 42. And these are really comfy on. I do like the Air Max unit. It's on the bottom. You can feel it. And overall, it really is comfortable. The cushioning that's around my ankle. I know, I mean, like I said, I'm pretty sure LeBron prefers the low versions of these 9s. Of the 9s, I mean, sorry. I can totally understand why. These are really comfy on. I think if I was to have the highs, it would have choked my ankles by now. But no, these are really comfy on. And the great thing about LeBron's, I believe, is that you can wear them out. Like, you don't have to be playing basketball. You can casually wear these out. Obviously, in this print, you're going to turn a lot of heads. But yo, LeBron wants to make actions speak louder than his words and just attract attention. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.